The Cloud Who Couldn't Rain, a story about sharing and helping others. High above the sleepy town floated a fluffy cloud named Cotton. Unlike other clouds who showered the earth with refreshing rain, Cotton could only make shapes, rabbits, dragons, and castles in the sky. One day, Cotton noticed the garden flowers drooping in the hot sun. He tried his hardest to rain, puffing up big and grey, but only heart-shaped clouds came out. Feeling sad, he drifted to the cloudy mountains to seek advice from Elder Cloud. "Dear Cotton," Elder Cloud smiled, "sometimes our gifts are exactly what others need." That evening, Cotton created the most wonderful shapes above the garden watering cans, umbrellas, and dancing raindrops. The sight was so delightful that all the other clouds came to watch, and in their joy, they started raining. Together with Cotton's beautiful shapes and his friends' rain, they created the most magnificent rainbow the town had ever seen. From that day on, Cotton knew that by sharing his special talent, he could inspire others to share theirs too. Push, puff, sprinkle, shine,